former 5-time world champion bench presser, 5-star rating author on Amazon, world-renowned exercise physiologist, and inventor of RAMP. Join Rocco Boulay with Gym Doctor.
Hello everybody, Rocco Boulay here with Gym Doctor, always helping you find your strength. Today I want to talk a little bit about the most fundamental thing in weight training, which is the actual repetition. I see so many people who get confused as to what that is. Well, first of all, in doing a repetition is doing the full range of motion, what we call the concentric phase or the positive phase of the movement, and the eccentric or the negative phase of the movement. And there's a thing called time under tension, which just means that you see some people who do repetition. I'm not going to use one arm here for demonstration purposes, but obviously this exercise uses two. So a good repetition would be slow like this. And the way to do that is using a cadence. So what I recommend for most people who are trying to just develop their muscles is using a 2-4 cadence, which means 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on the way down. That would be how you would do a good repetition. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's the negative part, or the lowering of any particular exercise, or the lengthening of the muscle, that does the most micro damage to the muscle fiber, but also increases the most amount of tissue gain over time. Not to say that somebody who does something fast isn't getting some kind of a benefit from that, because in powerlifting we used to do what's called explosive movements, which would be something a little faster versus the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference is when you do more of an explosive movement, you're recruiting less muscle fiber but more neural units. In other words, you're teaching your nervous system to be able to explode faster. I kind of liken it to say your circuit breaker box in a house. Either you can turn on one circuit at a time and one switch at a time, which would be kind of this motion, or you can think about throwing on that whole bank of circuit breakers at one time, which would be this. Either way, the training is specific to the outcome. In other words, if you want to gain more muscle size, use the 2-4 cadence. If you want to gain more explosive strength, you'd want to explode on the beginning of the muscle, then lower it slowly again. That's my tip for today. Remember, repetition is the very basic unit of strength training, and if you do it right, you'll get the most out of your workouts. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out.